Good afternoon. We are the students of class 7, 8 and 9 from Jyoti Public School, Bikapur, Ayodhya. And we are here with a working model of self-working street light that will work on the principle of circuits. So now one participant will introduce about the problem.
This model is based on the problem of low electricity in certain areas and well undeveloped areas. There are some areas where people are not able to gain electricity in their houses and as well as in their streets and roads. Now, one participant will explain the working of this model.
Now you can see that the street lights are not glowing. And suppose that it is a person. If he or she starts walking on it like this, it glows. It glows. And when he walks out, when he comes back and it starts, it off. And for example, when he walks this side, it also glows. And when he comes off, then it also off. And it works on the principle that we have used two aluminum foils as a metal. For example, here we have used one aluminum side on the upper side and downside. And when we press it, both aluminum coils touch and the metals have conductivity of electricity, so it contains that electricity and complete the circuit. That's why when a person walks on it, then the light glows and it saves the electricity that can be moved that can be transferred to another village that are suffering from electricity problems and that they are facing from that there are too much electricity cost. It can also reduce the cost of electricity. Thank you.